Olaplex system really works wonders on my hair. I am relaxed, y'all. If you did not know, this video I am 2 weeks post relaxed, so I wanted to go in with a treatment on my hair. I use the Olaplex, the number 0, which is, you put that in before you do the number 3. That's going to help saturate your hair and prepare your hair for the number 3. If you don't have the number 0, it is absolutely fine. Just wet your hair and use the number 3. Y'all see my hair. It is just, I'm so proud of how far my hair came, and I did just cut my ends, so it feels so much better. But the number 3 is a really good on your hair. It's like a bond builder or a perfector. It is not meant to be a deep conditioner. It's not meant for you to leave it in your hair. So for the girls that have been using it incorrectly for a very long time, just stop. You're going to put this in your hair before you shampoo and condition your hair. You don't want to put it in after you shampoo it. The correct way is put this in your hair before you shampoo it and condition it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm saturating every piece of my hair, and I'm just making sure I'm getting it in there good because, you know, I'm trying to grow my hair out healthy and just make sure I reduce breakage. And then I'm going in with this is like a little piece of saran wrap, y'all. I couldn't find my shower cap, so I put a saran wrap around my head, and then I use my regular shower cap to let that sit. I left mine on for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going in and I'm going to rinse it out. Y'all, this is the best part. I love when I have a fresh relaxer and the water is just running through my head. It just feels so good. It just feels like a massage. I love it. But anyway, I'm going in with the number 4, which is the shampoo. And you guys, this shampoo is really thick and it lathers up so well. But although it lathers up well, I always go in with 2 washes. So the first wash is like, you know, my base wash. And then I'll go in and do a really good deep cleanse. And this hair really does, not hair, y'all. This shampoo does sud up a lot. So I like to see the bubbles and the suds on my hair. Some people don't. I feel like if I don't see bubbles, then my hair is not clean. Like, I don't know about that. And even as I'm using the shampoo, like my hair is just feeling really soft. It's feeling really healthy. And that Olaplex number 3, baby, it works so freaking fast. Like, it's crazy. But anyway, I'm going in with the number 5, which is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And that leaves my hair really soft as well. You don't have to use a shampoo and conditioner, but I find that when I use the shampoo and conditioner along with the number 3, it just works well as a system. But I don't use it every single time. But every now and then I like to use it. It does leave my hair really soft, and after I do my wash, y'all, I feel no breakage at all. But I did go in with one more step after I rinsed it out, and I used the olive oil ORS deep conditioning mask. And y'all, first of all, let's talk about how good this smells. It smells so good. But I put this in because it's really hydrating and my hair is relaxed, so that means, you know, it's a little bit dry from time to time. So I just want to make sure I'm sealing in all the moisture and just really moisturizing my hair as much as possible, being as though, you know, my hair is chemically treated. So I popped that baby on there and I just let it sit for a little bit and I rinsed it out. Now we going in with the Way leave-in conditioner. I got this from Sephora. I also got the Olaplex system from Sephora as well. But y'all, oh my God. The Way leave-in conditioner leaves your hair feeling like butter, like super soft, flowy. It does not leave your hair weighed down. My hair literally feels like I went to the salon and got a blowout. Like, silk press who? I did it, not you. This really is just like top tier. I only put a little bit in and I just blow dry. I use my paddle brush when I blow dry my hair. I try not to use the comb on the blow dryer because they say that's not really good for your hair, but I mean, yeah, I didn't really need it this time, actually. And I felt like I didn't want to add any more tension to my hair. So you see that? You see how that one side looks just blow dry with the paddle brush? Like, it looks so good. It looks so good and healthy. I cannot believe it. Like, look at my ends. I mean, granted, I did just get a cut, but I'm trying to maintain like my ends so that I can maintain some length as I grow my hair out. But I'm just so proud of my hair, especially after using the Olaplex number 3. We got to work on my edges next. I really think that's, you know, due to a lot of stress and things like that. But I do take vitamin D3 and is it K12, K8? I got to look in the cabinet. But I take vitamins and iron because I am one of the iron girlies that's like, I'm always sleepy, I'm always tired. I have a little iron, and that definitely makes a difference, you know, on your hair. But I was just showing you guys the scalp is clean. The hair is looking thick and full. If you have long hair, but it's thin at the bottoms, baby, just cut it. Just cut it. Don't waste your time trying to hold on to it. My hair looks so much better. But anyway, I started to go in with my flat iron. This is like the sapphire flat iron. I got it from a kiosk in the mall one year. I spent like $200. It's the best thing ever. I don't know where to find it, but this flat iron leaves my hair really soft, even if I don't use any products. I only went over on 2 passes on this little part. I touched my roots like twice because it was a little crimply there. But y'all, you see the luster in my hair? You see how shiny and flowy it is? Like, stop playing. Stop playing. So good. My cousin Toya is the one that did my ends. I went in for a trim and I was like, girl, just keep cutting it. Cut some more. And she really did her big one. It looks so good. I'm so pleased with my hair. This is the most confident I have felt about my hair in the longest of times. Like, just look at it. I do want to dye it black, but I'm allergic, so I'm going to have to leave my hair alone. But you guys see it? You see that bounce? You see that flow? Just look at how it's flowing. So pretty, so gorgeous. But anyway, I'll leave a link down below for the Olaplex number 0, 3, 4, and 5. Also, the Gissu oil that I used on my hair right here. This is like that honey oil. It leaves your hair like silky too. It does not weigh my hair down either. I'll leave that link down below. Everything I got from Sephora except for the olive oil treatment mask. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys vibe out for the last minute of this video, but thank you so much for staying tuned in. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.